welcome back to my mom's channel, K René. Today we're going to the park. I don't know which park we're going to, but we're going to the park. First we're gonna stop by Sonic's and give me a large slushy. So we're going to the store and Bojangles. So I will get a caramel frappuccino crunch with no coffee. Okay, now, mama.
Oh wait. We should start this like every other YouTuber does. What's going on?
No.
What's going on?
No.
What's your girl?
No.
It's your boy.
We don't do that here.
It's your favorite fam.
No. That's not right. You don't start that right. We're not gonna be like,
Anyways, hey y'all.
Hey.
Welcome back to the vloggy vlog.
No.
It's only a vlog. It's not a vloggy vlog.
Exactly.
Just a
The
vlog.
vloggity vlog.
It's a
No.
vlog, and it's
It's a blog.
let's play the number game. First
It's a vlog.
one. It's caramel.
All right, y'all, hush. Back in the back. Back seat, people, hush.
You should call all your subscribers Caramelians.
I need a name for them. I do need a name for them.
All right, so we are headed over to a park that we have never been to before at all because we're tired of going to the same park.
I'm not.
Shit, what else I know is out in the road.
Quality.
Okay, Zay got it.
Mommy.
Zay got it.
And we're playing the alphabet game as we drive along because it's been so long since we've been outside the house. Where a 20-minute drive is now. Oh my gosh.
We ain't even on D. Chicago?
I know, but I like them. We're on
Oh my
R
gosh.
now.
Yeah, bro.
We're on R.
Ooh, a
Let's look
hotel.
for R. Ooh, those are pretty. Those look pretty. Walk to
No,
find.
on P, we're on R. Run!
Run, I saw it,
That's
run.
a P. It said Oakley run.
So
That's a P.
we're in an area in Smyrna where
Oakley run. Mommy,
some of the quality folk live.
Yeah,
Mommy,
uppity area.
it does not count.
We ain't got to that part fully, but you know,
Mommy,
it's some nicer things
does
and
not
stuff.
count.
Where?
Mommy.
Where everybody eats
Yeah, pair.
vegan and they hike every day.
Well, we already got the answer. No,
So,
Jinx, double jinx, triple jinx, quad jinx.
double jinx.
Okay, y'all. Yeah.
All right.
No.
We gonna see how we get to the part.
T.
See y'all later.
T.
Okay, guys. So we are at some park here in Cobb County. Y'all can see back here. So we're going to oh, this is it right here. Right there. And they got rules and things and all of that. So this is what the outside looks like. And let's go. No, it ain't going to that trail. Alright, y'all. I got my attire on today, guys. Look at here. I'm ready. I am ready. And hubby is testing out the new device on my old phone that we only film on. But y'all, this is exciting. What you think about it? Oh, you're not even recording.
No.
Okay. You're not gonna record?
I am, yeah.
Cause you're missing stuff. So they got that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. And they got this. How you doing?
Come on.
So pretty. Look at this. Y'all, stop right there. Let me take a picture real quick. Yeah, leg on the side. Okay, or not. Right there. Yes. Guys, come on, look at me now. I want a picture. Say, can you get over there, please? This is pretty, y'all. Look at that. So pretty.
I'm officially scared of bridges.
It's okay, man. Come on. How you doing? It's all right. Stay with me. We talk to them about it. Let people know how you feeling. Okay, maybe not. You guys, so we are out here at Cobb Park. I think it's called Heritage Park, y'all. And it's just a pretty day. So we're out here on this Sunday, just enjoying the views, y'all. Look at that. How pretty. All right. There might be some fish in there. You think there's fish in there? Yeah, I know. I should have put my mask up. Mommy's tripping. We do have our mask, y'all. We're out here as a family. Got the teenager, the pre-teenager, And the little man. And the boo thing right there. Come ahead. There's a lot of people out here.
Traffic should have been.
Thank you, sir.
That's what it was.
So that's what we doing, y'all. Anywho, it's nice out here. Breeze coming. We good. Two people were coming past me. I had to put my mask up, y'all. Y'all can take it down if you want to. Just till people get close, that's all. Does it work good? No.
For the most part, yeah. I think maybe I have the
She recording on from her head. You think so?
Huh?
You think so?
Think what?
Is it work good?
Yeah, I think maybe I've got the weight off slightly.
Oh, okay. So we gotta fix it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all. Let's just see. Down there. The old shed or something. Way down there. All right, we got the keep bright except to pass. Y'all get out over here, up on the side here. Okay, thank you. All right, y'all.
This is the Silver Comet Trail.
Silver.
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 Yep.
Okay.
Huh?
All right, y'all. It's nice though. It's nice out here. Oh, I hear water. Yeah. Some water down there. I know y'all can see it. If we can hear it though. Okay. Stay to one side. Stay to one side. Stay to one side. Turn on. That was cool.
Right?
No. That's going up to the road. Oh, it's another trail. Alright, y'all.
Why did you need to come built?
Can I start jogging?
No.
You can, Sam. You gotta stay on this side.
Mommy, can I start jogging?
That's fine. Just stay over here.
Yeah, kind of what you told me that. I want to come, and my right leg is hurting.
Y'all complaining. Oops, sorry, man.
Well, my right leg is hurting a lot. Trail track stay.
Wait. I need some shoes.
Well, I'm not winning because I'm trying to get this over. That's why I said, stick the same and you get.
Start kicking all of that. Alright, guys.
Can we go in there?
Yeah.
Someone like to come in through.
Yeah.
Y'all recording? Record, Mama.
Oh gosh, what is coaster.
I know, y'all. That scared the mess out of me. Woo!
I mean, to be fair, I don't mean, but that
Oh
was
my
like,
gosh, that scared me, y'all. I feel like I was like my daddy ain't going in unknown places. Okay. Did you get that, Mama? Okay.
yes.
I've never been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy. But you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me. Are you getting tired of?
Hey y'all, there's the crew and them over there playing. The teenagers heading over there now, letting them play for a little bit. And hubby and I are gonna sit here and talk for a minute, right?
Because we tired.
Y'all, what y'all just saw, all that footage y'all just saw, was pretty nice. We went there, we went walking. We've been going, ooh, the goodness, why are these wasses? Why are these wasses are trying to get in my vehicle? Look at it. Look. Y'all. I ain't playing no, ain't telling no tales to y'all. Look at that. Look.
Hi, guys.
Look at him. As soon as I roll the window up, he trying to get up in here. Look. Y'all see that?
Don't leave me.
He gonna stay his tail right on here. I'm gonna turn the car on. But if I turn the car, they're gonna think we leaving. No.
Turn the car on.
Look at that. Anyways, y'all, I'm back. This is the second time being on swings, y'all, since everything has gone down. Second time at the park. When there's not a lot of people around, I don't mind it. But if there's a lot of people around because everybody's not wearing the proper protocol like they need to. If it was us by ourselves, I'll be like, cool, y'all can go ahead and play. You don't have to have the mask, but you can at least have the gloves on because they on the swing set. So, anywho, that's what we doing. Are you gonna talk to our peoples or no?
Sure, I can.
Okay. See, he trying to get back in there again. There go that Walsh, y'all.
He's on my side now.
Yeah.
Bruh. I know you see me here.
That what he said? He banging out into the window. Y'all can hear him. I gotta turn this fan on, leave the AC on.
Mm-hmm. I told you to turn it on.
No, you trying to make it seem like we leaving. That's what you trying to do with them. That's the only reason you want me to turn it on.
Yeah, but also it's hot too. I look for any reason to freak them out.
So if y'all seen our LGI home tour, that was pretty cool. But we chose not to do it. It just wasn't the best thing to do. When we looked at other options and things, kind of weighing everything out, you know we can do better, especially for that price. Oh yeah. Also look out for a compilation vlog of us two, on long lost footage. It's gonna be funny.
The reason why it's lost is because it's on my phone.
It's gonna be funny though. It's gonna be real funny.
and I'm looking at him like, I need more space on my phone. And I'm looking at this, I'm like, didn't we already take this off the phone? Apparently we didn't, so. I
thought we did. This right here, I got my Victoria's Secret pink on, as well as my, sports bra. I was trying to show the girls, because we were, not these girls. I was trying to show my girls, because they were talking about when they saw my Victoria's Secret haul. If y'all haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up in the eye. It should pop up in the eye in the sky now. If not, it'll be down in the description box below.
Let me get my wallet out right quick. Let me see if I can.
You don't have no cash.
I got no kind of cash.
Plus, you got to pay me more than that.
Wait a minute.
Trying to offer me.
Wait a minute.
I ain't your average.
I got the credit card.
Oh, you got the black card? Hey, got that black card though. Hit that black card, we be good. Y'all, we foolish.
You can have whatever you like. Yeah.
Okay, it is.
It's hot.
March. It helps you lose weight.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Our own personal sauna.
Babe, you sweating.
I'm good. Look, I'm losing calories while I'm sweating.
Babe, I'm starting to sweat. Y'all see that sweat? Starting to look like a Greek god.
No, you look like a piece of crap.
Glistening.
Chicken just came out the fryer.
Well, the kids are done.
The kids are coming. Hey, y'all, that was quick.
There's too many little kids.
Too many people there.
Too many little kids. Babe, you gonna hold them real quick? I'm gonna ride over there so I don't fall. And that's all he gonna do is hold y'all. He ain't gonna talk at all.
You didn't tell me to do anything.
I ain't gotta tell you everything.
Yeah, you do.
That's kind of like.
And when I do, you don't even listen anyway.
No one listens.
I do listen, babe. I just kind of parse out what's important and what's not.
No.
He hears it.
You don't listen at all.
How do you guys feel about order footage? Y'all should see the
Like when
looks.
he was gone.
Y'all should see the looks that she's giving me. You know, and I know I'm speaking for them, but I don't think they care. You know, I think that due to the personalities that you have and, you know, the very few videos that I would have been included on just because of, you know, me being gone a lot, I think that they would very much appreciate.
Wait till you come out.
I said, get your tail out this car.
Oh, my gloves.
Put the gloves on right there and put.
This is why.
Then go stand up like a teenager on your phone like you've been doing.
Man, my phone doesn't have any ear in that, though.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you on that. You ain't pay your bill.
Man, I don't
You
have no
don't pay
money.
your bill? Yeah, your bill don't, your stuff don't stay on.
Your bill is not paid.
Life 101.
Anyways, y'all, we're gonna end it for real. 10 minutes in. And we got a teenager in, so now we can't talk no more.
Yeah.
We can't be as free
Stupid.
as we would like. It's a butterfly.
She running from the butterfly.
He is too.
Don't run for the butterfly.
They running from the butterfly. Look, you gonna go on out, they go on out. Go, girl.
I'm good.
Did you be prepared? I got it all on camera too.
I wish we could have got on camera Noah running with the guy because that's me.
I know it.
I want to know what the guy thought.
Y'all, it was hilarious. I might have got it. I don't know if I did or not, but I wish I did. I hope I did. But that boy started taking it off. He started taking it off so fast, and the guy just kept on running.
I think he thought it was me.
Him or Zay, because he was running hard like normally like Zay would.
Yeah.
Yo, it was crazy.
Take it off.
It was crazy.
He started taking it off.
All right, we going for real, y'all.